Hi everyone, I'm Paulo Lacerda. I'm the GPT-RAG project lead. And in this video, I'll show you how you can use GPT-RAG with models beyond Azure OpenAI, leveraging Microsoft Foundry Azure Direct Models, such as Grok, Mistral. So if you're looking for flexibility on model choice, for better cost efficiency, or just trying experimenting different models, then this video is for you. First, I'll open GPT-RAG documentation site. And in the Azure Direct Model session, you'll find the information that is needed for you to work with different models. So the documentation covers the required configuration for everything that I'm going to show next. So now let's move from theory to practice. Okay, so let me select Foundry Model Catalog. In the model catalog, I can select a collection. In this case, I will select collection direct from Azure, where I can see all models that are provided directly from Azure. Then I can compare those models. So I'm going to click on compare models. In the model comparison, I will select GPT-4o. GPT-4o is the default module that we have for GPT-RAG. And let's say that we want to use now Grok 4. So let me search for Grok 4, more specifically Grok 4 fast non-reasoning. Let me compare both models. So in the comparison, I can see that GPT-4o has higher cost and lower quality compared to Grok 4 fast. So now let me show you how you can deploy GPT-RAG with Grok 4 fast non-reasoning instead of GPT-4o. Let me, in the terminal, I'm gonna go to deploy folder, then I'm gonna make another folder GPT-RAG. Then I'm gonna initialize GPT-RAG template. This is just pointing to the GPT-RAG Azure template that's in GitHub. It's downloading the template. Let's just wait some seconds before it downloads. I'm gonna select a specific unique name for the environment that I'm gonna create in my Azure subscription. Easy login. Okay, now I'm gonna log in order to provision infra resource and application. Let me select my subscription. Then at this point, we're gonna change the main bicep main parameters JSON file, and we'll replace the GPT-4o model by the Grok 4 fast non-reasoning model. This is in the model deployment list section. So format will be XAI. Model name will be Grok 4 fasts. Non-reasoning, okay. The version is version 1. So this information can be found in the model card and Foundry. Okay, now I've saved main parameter JSON, then I can run azd up. azd up we're gonna first we'll provision the infrastructure for GPT-RAG, and then deploy the apps, selecting the subscription and the resource group. It's going to create a resource group for me. I'm going to use US2. So this will be a new provisioning. It can take some time, about 30 minutes, in order for it to provision everything. Okay, so I'm gonna fast forward a bit, so you don't need to wait for it to provision everything in this video. So it's almost finishing the provisioning now. So after the provisioning is done, it will do some post-provisioning steps. In the steps, it will do a couple of things. First thing will be configuring Foundry content filtering. So there are some responsible AI filters that you can configure and parameterize when deploying GPT-RAG. So this is the Foundry setup. You can add like block lists. So after it finishes the Foundry configuration, it will configure container apps, pointing them to the container registry that we just provisioned in AZD provision. And then after that, it will finally configure the AI search. So then AI search has all elements like indexes that are needed. So we have now post-provision finished, and after that we deploy all GPT-RAG services, as you can see. Now that we've deployed GPT-RAG service, front-end, orchestrator, ingestion service, let's take a look at the Foundry project that we just provisioned with the AZD provision. And in the Foundry project, we'll be able to see the model deployed. The model, the deployment name it chat, has Grok 4 fast and non-reasoning model deployed. Let's open it in the playground and give it a try. Hello. As you see, it's working as expected. Now let's try the GPT-RAG application. But first, we need to ingest something in the index. Let's look at the resource group where I've deployed and provisioned our resources. And let's go to the storage account and upload a document that will be ingested and indexed in our AI search. Okay, browse. Let's select a Contoso sample that I have in the samples folder. Okay, employee handbook. Upload. Okay. Let's just restart and data ingestion service, then we can force that document ingestion. Okay, restart. So ingestion, as it's just one document, that's gonna be very quick. So now we can give it a try. Open the front end. Let's look at the front end. This is GPT-RAG front end. Our employee evaluation during the annual performance review process. Okay. As you see, it was able to answer properly. It's using a Grok for fast no reasoning. So this is the document that was ingested, and that's it. Thanks very much for watching this video. Hope you like it. See you soon.